All right, y'all, man. Y'all see the purchase, man. Y'all see the purchase. Just went and got it from Harbor Freight, bro. It was only like $200, bro. So, I mean, it wasn't even 200, bro. It was $189. It was on sale, so it wasn't too crazy. It was, I think it's like usually 150 or something. But yeah, man, we got this thing. Y'all see it. I'm excited, boy. I went in there. She was like, "You in here for the 212?" I told her I wanted to get a Predator engine. She was like, "Did you want the 212?" And I was like, "Yeah." And you know what I'm saying? She already knew. So obviously got some competition. I already got some competition I gotta worry about. I had to get these screws, bro. I seen a video on YouTube. Some dude said I need some 5/16 screws for I really don't know where I need it for. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm new to all this. This is all new to me. I'm just starting off naked. I got one YouTube video I'm gonna watch from beginning to end. And hopefully by the end of it, I had this engine put in. You know what I'm saying? I'll give y'all little updates while I'm putting it in there. I don't even know if this video, I don't know if I'm gonna be done with this today, bro. I'm gonna be honest, it's like 7 o'clock now already. On a Friday night? I'm not going out. So, I mean, I'll probably get it done, bro. I'm gonna do my thing, do my best. We'll see. All right, y'all. I'm not gonna lie, man. This thing is huge. I mean, maybe it's the same. I don't know. It's probably a little bigger than the old one, but it just seemed huge because it's not on the bike. Let's see what's going on. Let's see what's going on, y'all. Ooh, yeah. Let's see. This thing heavy. Hold on, bro. I might have to. All right, y'all, we back. I know this looks a little crazy. You feel me? It's all I had to get my hands on ASAP. Y'all see it's doing the job. This thing out of here, man. All right, we got to the engine now. Okay. Man, that dude at the Harbor Freight was trying to get me to get this, what's it called, bro? He was trying to get me to get that one too bad, y'all. He was not letting up. There was a line behind me and all kinds of stuff. He wanted me to get that one too bad. I was like, sir, please just ring me up, please. All right, y'all, that's what I'm working with, feel me? I got all the tools put up, but I got the chain off, clutch off, I got that plate off, I got the air filter and the exhaust off, you feel me? I got all the wiring disconnected. All I got left is just and the throttle cable. All I got left is the bolts at the bottom. But I tried to mock this up on the new engine because the dude I was following along with on the video said that it took like, I think he said it took 5/16. And yeah, so I got this little pack, and here goes some 5/16 right here, and these don't fit, and there's some more 5/16 in here. There's 2 different types of 5/16 in here, but neither one of them fit. So, ooh wee, y'all. I'm gonna start by saying this. It's been a long 24 hours. I started this last night after I got off of work at probably like 7:30. Bro, it's going on 5 o'clock on Saturday now. And I mean, honestly, bro, like, I'm really not even upset. I'm not gonna lie, because I thought, honestly, it was gonna take way longer than that. This is like my first time doing anything like this. I was following along with a video that wasn't giving clear directions. I'm sure you all know how that feels. But I mean, I don't know. It wasn't really even that bad, bro. The hardest part was trying to find tools I need, but the engine's in there, man. This is the old one. You feel me? I don't know what I'm gonna do with this thing. It's basically in pieces right now. I still got everything for it, but you feel me? I still got that. I got the cover over there. I'm probably gonna throw it on. I need to. This thing came loose on me. Like I started it up when I first put the engine in. I started it up, and I had to get these nuts, or these bolts. Let me see the exact size. I had to get some. I got 5/16 24 by 1, and I got 5/16 24 by 3/4. I used the 3/4 for the plate to mount this plate back on there, and then and they're fine threads too. They're fine threads as well. And then I used the inch one for the. Y'all know what this is. Help me out, y'all. Like I said, it's been a long 24 hours. I don't have any functionality of my switches. I'm not gonna lie, y'all. I'm not like that. Electrical stuff was just scary. I do construction, so like I know about volts and stuff. I didn't even want to mess with them, bro. I know it probably wouldn't have killed me, but like, bro, I don't know what I'm doing. I didn't want to mess nothing up. So what I did was I cut off the light. I got rid of the light. And I just taped it off with electrical tape. The kill switch wires are right here. I guess these are the wires from, I just use that one right now. I need to figure out, I'm gonna get it fine tuned. Like I said, I'm gonna get it right. This is just basically the engine's mounted. Everything's ready to go. You know what I'm saying? I can ride it right now. Don't have no headlight. I think I already said that. Kill switch is dead. I just use this one down here. I got rid of the back fender. That's gone. I'm not going to put that back on. I probably will put a different light on there in the future, but for right now, I don't have one. But yeah, the reason I'm keeping the cover off is because in case this wants to do anything weird, I'm just keeping my eye. I want to keep my eye on that for the first couple days, couple rides. And then I'll probably put the cover back on there. But yeah, this thing on this, yeah, I think this is the master link. I don't know if that's what this is called or not, but putting this thing back in there was a headache. I didn't think it was going to stay, but it looks like it's finna hold up fine. I didn't do nothing with the exhaust. I'm gonna, I don't really know if I want to get like a full kit for it or if I want to just do what I've been seeing in the comments and like just get an air filter, carb, and an exhaust. I'm trying to think. Yeah, man, I don't know. I haven't really ridden it yet. I rode it up and down the street, like I said. Well, I didn't say that, but when this came off is after I rode it up the street. I rode it up the street maybe like for like 15 seconds. And also, bro, I almost forgot to tell you, this is the most important part. I was having a lot of trouble getting this thing to idle right when I first, like I was worried I'd have to get a new carb or jets before I could even like ride it for real. This thing was bogging out so bad, y'all, but it was idling really, really, really high. I didn't realize the screw was like all the way as high as it could go. So I just loosened it. I took it all the way out. I threaded it in like maybe two courses and it runs a lot better now. I just run the choke like not even all the way on run. I run it like right here. You know what I'm saying? Like maybe halfway, I guess. And it runs beautifully. So yeah, yeah, I mean it's thrown together. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not, like I said, y'all. Please bear with me, you know what I'm saying? I'm just trying to get this content out for y'all. And I just wanted to ride this engine, I can't lie. So yeah. That's that, man. I can't even tell y'all, this is crazy. Like I really didn't expect this to go so smoothly, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Like I thought I was gonna have to call in a professional. I thought, like yesterday when I first started taking this stuff apart, I was like, bro, it'd be a miracle if I get this thing running. Look, it's not even a day later, bro, and this thing's ready to ride. I'll fire it up for y'all right quick, bro. Fire it up for y'all right quick, bro. Make sure y'all can see that right there. Perfect. I'm gonna open the garage so I don't, you feel me, pass out from fumes and whatnot. Ooh, I'm excited, y'all. I can't lie. The gas is still on. Choke is on. Y'all hear how smooth this idling and how quiet it is? I can't, like, I drilled holes in my other exhaust, bro. I forgot how quiet these things really are. I just had my other one piped up for nothing, bro. Like, come on, bro. That's snappy. Look. Woo! Yeah. I mean, y'all see it, man. It's complete. I mean, it's a little, you know what I'm saying? Like I said, it's not complete, but I mean, for me, like if I was building this for somebody, obviously I'd want it complete. But I mean, this is just for me. I'm chilling. I'm gonna piece it back together. Probably, you know what I'm saying? Like I said, I still want to add different grips, and I'm definitely gonna do some color matching, all that stuff, bro. So I'm definitely gonna get the kill switch hooked up back right. I'll probably put like an LED light on the front. And honestly, I could use the old kill switch, bro, for something else. Like, I don't know, turn signals? I don't know. Something. But there's no third. There's only 2 switches, so I don't really know how it works. I don't know, y'all. I'm just throwing stuff out there. I can't believe this thing is in there. I'm honestly shocked, bro. I got this done, bro. I had a little help from my dad and my brother. I'm not gonna lie. Like, not like with directions or like what to do, but just like manpower wise, I'm not gonna lie. Some of this stuff was crazy. I need some help, but hey, it's cool, bro. This thing's crazy, dog. I can't believe it, bro. It's wild. I appreciate the support, man, from y'all too, man. Y'all tuning in, giving me comments, giving me, you feel me, encouraging words, all that stuff, bro. You know what I'm saying? I can't thank y'all enough. The encouragement's crazy. That's the only reason I've done this, bro. Like, I never would have potentially destroyed my own bike, bro, just for my own, you know what I'm saying? I did this for y'all. And I only got it done because of y'all. I appreciate y'all, man. I'm going to make a little POV ride of it as soon as I can, man. Until then, I'm going to see y'all, man. Peace.